I'm going to change the oil in this pressure washer. You got to do it about every 25 hours. But for the last 5 or 6 pressure wash sessions on the vehicles that I video and all the other stuff, I always kind of procrastinate. So there's not much gas in it. Make sure the lid's tight, the cap's tight. I only do this, tip it over temporarily. But it's way in here. And if you can catch it, it's 3/8. I always give it a little. Problem is, you get some leverage. Crack it loose. There we go. I'm going to pause it a second. Okay. Now I get a longer 3/8 extension and a ratchet now that it's loose. Keep a drain pan handy. I don't pop it all the way out on its side. It's probably going to be a continuation on the next video. Except trying to see it is another thing. I only loose it enough to where I think it's going to come out. I don't want to take the thing all the way out. I'm going to have to do it the hard way. And then tip it up. Let's see. Kind of a hard way to do it for a minute. There, okay. And then I take the shorter one. If I get my hand in there, it's kind of hard to find it. Doggone it. It's really hard to find it. The bump's in the way. I'm going to pause it a second. Well, in reality, since the oil's on its side, I guess you could, because I just didn't want to make a big fat mess. I've done this my whole life, and every bit of it. Oh, there. Okay, let's say like that. I didn't want to do that. And then tip it up. Just tip